Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to follow your contacts on X. So you must first allow X application access to your contacts. Let's do that together. Open X on your phone and you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. And then in this menu you want to scroll to settings and privacy, and as you can see your settings are divided into several sections. You want to go to privacy and safety section. Now here find discoverability in contacts, and under the tab with contacts find option that says sync address book contacts, and please make sure that it's on. After this X application will ask you to decide if you want to share all of your X contacts, or you can select specific people that you want to share from your contacts on X. After you do that, let's finally find and follow your contacts. To do that, you have to go to Search tab, Explore tab, which is at the bottom side of the screen, and it looks like magnifying glass icon. Let's go here, and if you scroll here until you reach Who to Follow section, you have to tap Show More to expand the list. And when you scroll through this list, through this page, you might see different people from your contacts, and if you want to follow them, you just have to use this black button follow next to each user from your contacts. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.